What's the meaning of chambermaid? Chambermaid. Chambermaid.
Chambermaid. Chambermaid. A chambermaid is a female employee who works in a hotel or other lodging establishment and is responsible for cleaning and maintaining guest rooms and common areas. Her duties may include changing bed linens, replenishing towels and toiletries, dusting and vacuuming, and ensuring the overall cleanliness and orderliness of the rooms. The term chambermaid is somewhat old-fashioned and is not commonly used today, as many hotels now employ housekeeping staff who perform similar duties.